Doon mo nga. Okay na, Ina?
Okay na, sige.
Ready?
Yeah, good.
You okay? You okay? Isa pa, isa pa. Kapit. Oops! Kapit ulit. Okay na. Let's go. Okay, go. Kapit. Okay?
No ka na.
Ikaw na.
Oh no.
Okay na? Okay na po. Sige.
No. No. Yan dito.
Hindi po dyan. Sa kakapit. Okay, okay. Lakad na, lakad na. Lakad ka na lang muna. Hmm? Kapit. Kapit. Kapit ang ayos. Dali, sa kabila.
No, gusto ka lakad.
Sige, lakad. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Right, Dina. Want to ride Dina, right?
Sumakay din kay Ate Zoe.
Go there.
Ah.
Yeah. You stay at the back, okay?
Sa likod kay Ate Zoe. Yeah.
Sit down.
Harap ka. Kasama mo si Ate Zoe. Okay? Kapit.
Hold tight, ha?
Ready?
Feet, baby.
Wait lang natin yung isa.
Relax your feet.
Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2.
Is it fun? You wanna do it again?
You're good, little sis. You're really good.
Oo, nahuhulog eh, wait. Okay. Okay.
You good?
Mabigat ba?
Hindi niya matalagay.
Oo nga, wait.
You're
Baka
so
mabasa ulo
cute.
niya. Yan. Para may support ng kaunti. You have fun?
Yes.
Is it fun, yeah?
Let me
Careful,
go,
ha?
my little sis.
I'll
Is
get
really
the
fun.
One more?
Yeah.
One more, yeah?
You want one more, little sis? Yeah.
One more?
One more, yeah?
Sumakay.
Meron ng lotion sa mukha. Si Ina din kasi.
You have a fun. It's so fun to sled with you, huh?
Yeah.
Malalagyan ka lang daw ng lotion na Zoe.
Pati daw si
Your
Ina.
mom's gonna put some lotion on your face.
Okay, okay lang.
That was so fast.
Ayun, lalagyan natin ng lotion. Thank you.
See your lip, your cheeks is getting reddish.
Okay, thank you, thank
Your
you.
cheeks are getting red.
No, you landed
Like
here.
you.
You landed the farthest.
Kasi magdadry yung pa.
Okay. Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay, Ina. Go walk. Walk with Ate Zoe.
So, sumakay o lalakad?
You want to ride it there? Come on.
Ayaw mo.
You want to ride again? Or you want to ride alone? Okay.
Dito tayo sa tabi.
Iwan ko muna to.
Ina. Side, side.
Okay. Nina, come on, Wilson, catch up. But don't run too much. Wow! I know it's fun. I've been here before. I've never been when I was 5 years
Ina.
Come on, Nina. Give me slow to this. This one.
Kakapit. You guys ready? Kakapit.
Yeah. I'm ready.
1,
Watch
2,
out!
3.
The brothers are gone. Really fun. Here, are you okay?
Again? One more?
Yeah. Come on up. You okay?
There, you walk, okay?
Ang cute niya yan. Alam mo, may jacket pa kasi sewing ganito. Oh?
You run me out.
Go on the side.
Hi, Sakina, don't run. Don't run, Moses.
Ano, lalakad kayo uli o sasakay na kayo pataas?
Baka mas ano ata pag ano.
Mas madali kapag...
Sakay.
Bigat yung mga bulinggit.
Let's go. No, sakay. Sakay.
Dito, side, side.
Just
Okay.
Just walk.
Hmm, kaya mo?
Wow.
Wow!
Whoa.
Padalan siya ito.
Whoa. Nataas na ako.
Kaya mo?
Aba, sinanias na bigil. Taas na ako. You're walking so silly like a minion.
Okay, Ina.
Come on, Nina.
Okay. Bakit? Okay. Ready Ate Zoe?
Yeah.
Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Hang on, I'll take a picture of you too. Sit, Zoe. Okay, Ina, Zoe, smile. Okay. Ang cute.
Come on!
Help first. Oh, we're gonna come on the side. Cause you're
Left side.
Come on, go.
You want to ride with it again?
No,
Lalakad ko Hindi na?
Hindi.
Sasakay ka na po.
Apa. The kilosis?
Tubig, Ina. Gusto mo minom? Gusto mo tubig? No? Ang galing naman.
Ah,
Ah,
You have to get your too big.
napagod, napagod na yata. Sasakay na raw siya. Ano, lalakad ka ba o sasakay?
Sakay.
Sakay po. Siya po. Kapit. Kapit.
Oh. Oh.
Lapit na.
Just have it pull up.
Ito na.
You need to wait. Okay. Go.
Oh. Ready?
Gary, get off the side.
We're ready now. Let's go, Lucas. And yeah.
Look at the eyes. It's the eyes. Okay ka lang? Pagod ka na?
Oh, It's yucky to you
Again?
guys. Lucas.
Again, Ina?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on the side because somebody's coming. Come on. On the side.
Look, not blow.
Yeah.
Not blow. Look, that's not blow. Look, there's just no more blow. I know. Come on, Moses. Why don't you walk by your own? Without making some noise.
Kawawa naman kayo.
What color with Ina?
My favorite color is purple.
Your favorite color is purple.
Yeah.
What do you want?
We got to.
Lalakad na kayo. Sa side, sa side.
Let's go.
Sa side maglalakad.
Side, Moses, come on. Side. Wait, Moses. Don't run, don't run. Or else your energy will run. Ayat, that's toys. What did you say?
Side, sa side, Ina. Side. Thank you.
Come on, Moses. Ay, awas done.
Ngayon, kahapon lang kami naman. Nakita ko to nung pupunta kami ng park. So, tinignan ko yung map. Sabi ko, hanggang merong Winter Hill.
Hindi, akala ko sunod ng zoo. Pag yun sa Google Maps, sunod ng zoo. Kulang kami ni Zoe na ganito mga kawalan.
Ito ang ganda nga dito. Saka, parang ano siya kasi, yun lang. Inaano ko sa gitna kasi minsan napupunta dito sa mga pulo. Pero, oo.
Let's see. You okay, Lucas? Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Kapit.
Zoe, we're still moving, okay?
Ready?
Yes. Go.
Right?
Ito, Ina. Gusto mo pa?
I think I'm so tired. Okay. Come on, the side, on the side, on the side. Huwag kay tatay. On the side.
Kaya tayo dumadami niyang bata. Ano mga makalit na din?
Oh, but... Oh, wait lang, wait. Go, wait. Stop.
Sa side ulit.
I almost get bumped. No, I can't get. I want.
Your turn next time, Ina. Sige, halika.
Only next time because you're older.
Gusto mo ikaw magdala?
Maybe when you're older. Come on, Moses. Just hold it. Just hold it with one hand. There you go. Having fun?
Dito kayo.
Ina.
Come on, Moses. Side. No, like this. Watch out for the
That's big.
Dito may mga tao na Ina, may mga bata na mag-isalay.
Come on.
Allow it to be tight.
Go up.
Kaya pa?
Kaya mo pa? Ina?
Kaya ko. Oh.
Kaya mo.
It's ready. You need a hand? Good. Good enough, right?
Dito ulit kayo.
Oh.
Sinahan natin.
I know, Wilson.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, get started when I'm not ready. I think I'm ready.
Okay, wait lang ha. May mga bata kasi. You ready?
Taking long.
Okay ka lang.
Okay, Wilson.
Gusto mo ba sana yung mukha mo?
Even on your head.
Sana pala nagdala ko ng towel. Halika na.
You're good, Moses.
Basta mo sa yung mukha. Oh, wait lang.
You got ice mustache? Okay? Are you full?
Daddy.
Your turn to pull.
Nabigyan mo yun ah. Malayo pa. May towel ka dyan. Basta yung mukha niya.
Paano mo na yung snow dahil sa paa?
Pagpasok yung salpak ng babaga ng slope. Ayun. Tama sa mukha niya yung yelo. Nakangipong nga pa naman siya.
Masakit. Ay, sorry.
Maghago.
Gusto mo mag-break muna or okay pa?
Okay pa.
Okay pa daw.
Please.
Ano?
Ay, kailangan mo yan,
Sabi
bebe.
ka. Suotin natin.
Yeah, she will ask
Halika,
Mama
ano?
to suot this one. Tagalog.
Halika. Ina. Push.
Wow! You're speaking Tagalog already, Ate Zoe?
Okay, Ina ah. Other hand. Ina.
Sorry, you
Okay.
said Tagalog na,
Push. Yeah. Okay, huwag mo tatanggalin ha. Kasi malamig. Okay, go.
Ayun po. Sorry, shirt.
Kailangan lang tuloy-tuloy. Kasi pero pagdating sa school, sinasabihan na huwag mag-Tagalog.
Ano, pagod ka na ba, Ina?
You want to put
More lotion? Are you okay?
Kaya mo
Oo,
pa?
kaya
Gusto mo
pa.
buhatin ka?
Ay, pahinga muna, ano?
Gusto mo sumakay? Hihilahin na lang kita. Gusto mo sumakay? I'll pull her up. I'll pull her up. I'll pull her up because she's tired already. I'll just pull her up.
Why don't you sit down?
Kapit po. Oopsie.
Alright.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2.
Ready? Go! Woo! Let's go, Moses! Let's go,
Okay ka lang, ulit?
Pagod na si Ina. Pagod
Ayusin na natin to para